Today we are making oven-roasted root vegetables with a honey brown butter sage sauce. We start with a large beet, a medium-sized sweet potato, and a large parsnip. First we'll peel them and trim off any bad spots. And then we'll slice them. To get perfectly even slices, use a mandolin, and don't forget to use the guard as needed. Cut your veggie slices in half to make half-moon shapes and get ready to assemble. Start at the edge of the pan and work your way around, alternating between red, orange, and white. As you move around the pan, push them back and make room for more. Smaller chunks and uneven pieces are ideal for filling the center. Once you've got it mostly full, go back through and stuff in any extra pieces wherever they may fit. Next, we'll add our honey brown butter sage sauce. Use a pastry brush to brush the tops of the vegetables with the sauce. Then carefully drizzle any remaining sauce over the entire dish. For the full recipe, including instructions on how to make that sauce, go to ReneNicolesKitchen.com.